act right cause it's cool. It's just too much south in the food for you. Too much south. I got too much south. South. Soon as to pull up when you need it. I gotta know you can deal with it. Stop reading through the lines when you show it.
What's up? So I told you guys I was gonna do the video of how I do my own sewing. And this is my hair. Starting freshly washed and blow dried. And now, right now, I'm going to section my hair off and braid it because that's the foundation of a sewing video. But before I get started, please make sure you press that like button, subscribe, turn on your post notifications with the bell, and we lit. Alright, so for this hairstyle, I'm going to do a deep side part because that's just how I like my hair parted. But yeah, so if you see me looking like this way kind of, it's because my hair is right here. That's my bangs I just put. Why did I do that? Basically like tie a knot in my hair. Alright. And I do leave my edges out. I leave a halo out. But it's like literally like a half an inch of hair that I leave out. we'll be back to show you how I braided it down. So my hair's all braided up. I'm about to sew this piece down, and then I don't know if I want to do it now or not, but just go about my business and start sewing it on. So I did decide to get the net, you guys. I sewed it on. If you guys do want to see how I put my net on, I will do a separate video, but I just didn't record that part because I got the net at the last minute. But as you can see, I'm just going in with my needle and going under and then going back over through with the weave. This hair is really great, you guys. It is super, super soft, and I'm so surprised because I did not expect this quality. As you can see, I'm doing my happy dance. But let me finish sewing this in and get this done for you guys. It took like about 2 hours for me to do my own. So if you don't have that time on your hands, I wouldn't suggest that you do it. But try it. It's cheaper, way cheaper. You rather spend time than spend the money, then do it. But if you guys have any questions, please drop the questions down in the comment section, and I will answer all of them as soon as possible. Thank you. Let's finish watching what I'm doing here. Now I'm just going to repeat sewing my hair in so I get all the way to the top, and I'll show you guys the finished piece after. Air dry, installed it, and now look. Alright, I'll show you guys how it looks once I flat iron it, okay? See you guys later.
And it's starting right now. Shut up. Shut up.